5,400 feet remaining.
What was that, like 300 feet for that Cub Crafter?
Maybe 200.
Nice.
Scottsdale traffic 8 November Charlie departing the pattern to the southwest. We're going to bring the speed down to about, work on 55, 60-ish. AOA is coming up. No flap. Just some slow speed handling. 41 degrees Fahrenheit outside, 520 local here at KFCI in Richmond, Virginia area. Trim it on up.
Chesterfield traffic, Archer, or that's 283 Juliet Sierra, taxiing from the ramp to runway 15, Chesterfield.
58, trimming up. AOA starting in the yellow. Continuing the trim up. Now we're almost full up on the trim here. And let's try to find steady tone and hold. 55.
Chesterfield traffic, Delta Sierra over the field, downwind 15, Chesterfield.
To the east, gonna overfly the field, 2,200 feet, Rocky Mountain.
54. All speed, no flap, 48 per the book, 2,000 gross, about 1750. 55, little back pressure on the stick needed, full up trim. Alright, let's try to get into steady.
Chesterfield traffic, Delta Sierra downwind 15, Chesterfield.
Choppy tone. There's a little red on the AOA around 3,500 or 3,000. MSL 2700 AGL. Do a little banking.
Rocky Mountain traffic 402 Bravo Lima, overflying the field, 2,200 feet, Rocky Mountain.
And continuing the comfort on the slower speeds. FX-3
traffic,
proficiency.
4527, 6 miles out, southbound, and we'll enter the pattern downwind.
Obviously been on a slight descent here. Don't know that I'm going to hold altitude at this speed. Let's try to hold altitude at least.
Chesterfield traffic, Delta Sierra, turning base 15, Chesterfield.
Feeling a slight buffet.
Is that you, Brandon?
That's yard. Dirty air on over the tail surface. 53. Try to try to hold altitude here. Lots of trim. And the trim circuit breaker, good to know, over the left shoulder, in case you had a runaway trim situation. Alright, going to take it on back in and work on some pattern work, but we're going to keep it slow. We're short on time tonight. Chesterfield traffic, 8 November Charlie is entering a downwind, 15 Chesterfield.
Chesterfield traffic, Cirrus 283 Juliet Sierra is taking off runway 15 Chesterfield.
Alright, again, working on slow speeds. We're 65 now.
It's 2407, 6 Juliet Sierra.
And Chesterfield traffic, 8 November Charlie, left base, 15 Chesterfield.
$500.
62.
Traffic. 9 o'clock. 1 mile. 400 feet below.
And Chesterfield, 8 November Charlie is short final, 15 Chesterfield. $65. $56. Wind's not bad, 53. Was not exactly a 3-point, but worked well.